Okay, so everybody needs their furniture cleaned. And when your furniture gets like this, who wants to spend time on this? A lot of times people will get furniture, they'll even throw it away. They'll think, hey, this is no good. Well, Squeegee Clean cleans furniture and we can actually make it look good. Look at this. Look at this build up on this. Can't even scratch it off with my nail. But we can also clean plastic and Adirondack chairs and other furniture as well. Let's take a look and see how this turns out. So how do you think the furniture is looking?
I didn't think it'd turn out that good.
Yeah, it turned out better than you thought.
Nice and bright.
We take it from green to clean. We are the exterior clean experts.